Good morning, everyone. Myself Murali Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about Linux basic commands part 3. Okay, let's see the part 3. Here we have a multiple command. Man command and check the CPU and memory info, and also ping command, curl command. Let's see one by one. Man command. The main uses of man command. If you want to see the manual page of particular command, for example, you are using cd command, but you don't aware how you can use it. So using man command, you can get that particular manual page. Example, I'm going to here, I'm giving the man and I'm giving the cd command. cd command, I want to know particular cd command manual page using man command. Okay, just enter. Here you are able to see, right? This is the particular man command manual page. Okay. If you want to exit, just give the control Z. You can come back. Okay, control Z. So main uses of man command, if you want to see the manual page of the particular command, you can use it. But real time, you won't use much. In case if you are not aware, we can go to the Google and we can check it instead of using man command. Okay, fine. Next one is check CPU and memory info. The memory and CPU info is available in OPT directory. Sorry, proc directory. Proc is nothing but process. Okay, in this particular proc directory, we have a file, ll command. Using cat command, you can able to get that info, cat CPU info. Okay, cat command, it will display the content of that particular file. CPU info is a file. I want to see that particular CPU info file using cat command. We will discuss more on this cat command later part. Okay, enter. If you observe here it is displayed that particular CPU info. CPU info. How much CPU is there? Everything you can able to see here. Okay, CPU family. What is that one? Okay, model, which model we are using. Everything we can able to know here. Okay, fine. Next one, mem info, memory info. Memory info also is available in same proc directory. Okay, inside the proc directory, I'm using that cat command. Using cat command, I'm going to see that mem info file content. Okay, remember cat command is used to see the content of that particular file. Okay, now enter. Here you can see that memory information. All the memory, total memory, how much free memory available, buffer size, cache, everything you can able to see that information related memory. Okay, I hope understand that. If you want to see that CPU and memory, go to the proc directory. Then you can use cat command to display that particular CPU info and mem info file. Fine. What is the next one? Ping command. Ping command is used to check the connectivity. For example, you have two servers. For example, this is the one server. We have another server. Okay, we have another server. Whether connectivity is there or not, how we can verify? Using ping command. Example, I'm giving here. Example, I'm giving dummy IP address 10.5.2.3. Example. Okay, if I enter here, if it is access, it will be showing like pinging. Okay, in case currently we don't have this this particular my server don't have access to this 10.5.2.1. That is the reason it will be not pinging. Okay, if you use a control C, if you observe here 100% packet loss, it means there is no connectivity. I'm trying to ping this particular server, there is no connectivity. That is the reason it is showing 100% packet loss. Okay, but in case if you access this particular server, it will be ping. It will be coming like that. Okay, I hope understand, right? Any questions? No, right? Fine. Next one, curl command. Curl command, there are two ways, two use cases. One is check the particular URL. For example, you have deployed application. Okay, you want to check the particular URL whether it is working or not. Using curl command, you can able to achieve. Okay, example, you can able to achieve using curl command. Example, if you observe here, curl-v TechWorld with Murali /courses health. I'm checking this health check of this particular URL, whether it is working or not. Simple example, I'm copying this. Just run here. If you observe here, we are getting the script. Let me see. Here, if you observe here, the particular URL is not there. That is the reason we are getting 404 not found. What is right? 404 error, because this particular health path is not available. That is the reason. If it is any health check path is there, you will get like 200 instead of 404, you will get the 200. The simple thing like curl command you use to check the URL whether it is working or not. Okay, if it is working, we can get it like 200 response. If the particular path is not available, that's why we are getting 404. Okay, and one more thing, using curl command also we can able to download the tar zip file anything from internet also. Let's see how can. So I'm going to Google. Here I'm going to download Tomcat download. Okay, open any first URL tomcat.apache. Here we have a tar zip file. Select the tar file, right click, copy link address. It will be copy that link address. Now we go to here using curl, give that URL. Then we have to give the -o option. We have to give that name. Example, tomcat.tar. What is the meaning of? It will be download this one and it will be renamed to this here. If you are not providing the -o that particular name, it won't be download. That is the reason you should be give that -o and the tomcat.tar. If I am giving now, enter. If you observe here, currently it is downloaded. Inside this tar file, it is contain tar.zip file information. Okay, got it right? What are the uses of curl command? One is to check the URL. Second one is if you want to download anything from internet, either tar file, zip file, anything, you can use curl command. We have another option, duplicate command also. We can discuss more later part. Okay, I hope understand that. Any questions? No, right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.